Here's a quick look at the Nature's Generator automatic transfer switch. It comes in 3 sizes, 30 amp, 50 amp, and 125 amp. Each transfer switch features a centrally located keyhole slot, making installation simple. The 30 amp switch measures 21 5/8 inches tall. The 50 amp is 23 1/8 inches. And the 125 amp is 33 1/2 inches to the center of the keyhole slot. You can mount your transfer switch in 3 ways: between studs, directly onto the surface, or using a flush mount kit for a seamless installation. We will show 30A transfer switch as an example. Step 1. Choose a location near your main electrical panel. Step 2. Drive a screw into the wall, leaving the head slightly exposed. Step 3. Hang the transfer switch on the screw using the keyhole slot. Step 4. Check that your transfer switch is perfectly leveled. Finally, Step 5. Secure the switch by driving screws through all the mounting holes. And that's it. Your transfer switch is mounted and ready for the next step. Don't forget to follow us on social media at Nature's Generator and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.